Kementerian Pengangkutan telah membentangkan dua memorandum jemaah menteri pada hari ini, 1 Mac 2024, iaitu Hala Tuju Pelaksanaan Dasar Kabotaj serta perluasan had Pelabuhan Desaru, Johor. Jemaah menteri telah mempertimbangkan dan memutuskan seperti berikut. A. Pengecualian dasar kabotaj untuk kapal-kapal asing yang terlibat dalam semua kerja membaiki kabel dasar laut, iaitu pengecualian kabotaj diberikan. Langkah ini amat penting untuk menarik lebih banyak pelaburan asing dalam industri pusat data dan merancangkan pertumbuhan ekonomi digital. B. Pelaksanaan semula dasar kabotaj untuk kapal-kapal yang menjalankan perkhidmatan kargo dari Semenanjung ke Sarawak. Langkah ini diambil atas permintaan Kerajaan Sarawak untuk menyokong pertumbuhan industri perkapalan tempatan yang terancam dengan pengecualian dasar kabotaj sejak 1 Jun 2017. C. Pengecualian dasar kabotaj untuk kapal-kapal yang menjalankan perkhidmatan kargo dari Semenanjung ke Sabah dan Labuan dikekalkan. Keputusan ini berlandaskan pendirian Kerajaan Sabah dalam perkara ini. Semua kapal tempatan asing yang melaksanakan perkhidmatan kargo dalam perairan Malaysia perlu memohon lesen perkapalan dalam negeri DSL atas faktor-faktor keselamatan negara. Namun begitu, proses permohonan DSL ini telah dipermudahkan dan akan diproses dalam tempoh 3 hari. Perlu ditegaskan bahawa semua kapal asing boleh menyediakan perkhidmatan perkapalan secara terus ataupun direct call dari pelabuhan-pelabuhan asing ke mana-mana pelabuhan di Sabah, Sarawak dan Labuan untuk mengangkut barangan import ataupun ekspor. As you know, in 2019, we have actually given the exemption. Okay? It was then, during my tenure as Minister of Transport, at the request of many telcos, we have actually given the exemption for cabotage for repair of undersea cable. But unfortunately, the policy was reversed in 2020. So right now, I think we have had many rounds of discussion with many IT companies. With some of the largest IT companies, I had a session with them, and MITI had the same session with many of them, and including Prime Minister. And during the discussion of this paper this morning, this subject was discussed thoroughly, and we have come to a conclusion that one of the most important policy changes as far as cabotage is concerned is to give exemption to undersea cable repair. Because this is very important for the IT companies, for the telcos, and we want to make this as a permanent policy. We will do everything necessary to ensure to them that there is a certainty in terms of this policy. So even though there was some sort of a reversal from exemption, then reverse, then back to exemption, but we want to assure them this is a very certain policy, and we will do everything possible to ensure that this policies remains and to attract more international investment into our not only undersea cable, but more importantly to attract more investment into data centers, not only in Semenanjung but as well as in Sabah Sarawak.
You mentioned here also about the exemption. What is your target to all these to be enforced? Looking at second half of the year.
It can be as soon as within 2 months.
Within 2 months.
Yeah. Okay, but the policy decision has been made today. Then immediately this afternoon, post cabinet, instruction will be given for the necessary gazetting to be undertaken. So usually from our experience, within 1 to 2 months, but we are confident that it can be done within 2 months.